Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered how to install Ambient Ubuntu Minimal Operating System onto eMMC storage of Banana Pi M4-Berry. So we have this SD card, okay, which is already flashed with the Ubuntu operating system, which is minimal. Okay, we have plugged that SD card and we have transferred all the data to the eMMC storage of Banana Pi M4-Berry. Now what we want to do is we want to erase the eMMC storage and we want to again boot from the SD card. Then how we can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so we will see how to erase eMMC storage of Banana Pi M4-Berry, and we'll see that how you can boot again from the SD card. So right now I am already connected with my Banana Pi M4-Berry, okay, over the SSH. Now I'll turn off my Banana Pi M4-Berry. So power off, okay, connection is closed. Now what we will do is we will disconnect the power connection, okay, to the Banana Pi M4-Berry, and we'll plug the SD card again. Okay, here you can see we have plugged the SD card, okay, and this SD card is already flashed with the Ubuntu operating system minimal. Okay, now I'm again going to power up this device. So when you plug the SD card into your Banana Pi M4-Berry and you power off your Banana Pi M4-Berry, default it will use the operating system flash onto the SD card. Okay, it won't use the operating system flash onto the eMMC storage. So now we can erase the eMMC storage. So first we'll check the ping, that we are able to ping the device or not. Ping 192.168.1.7. Okay, we are getting successful ping. Okay, now we can connect with Banana Pi M4-Berry using SSH. So I'm going to use the command. Okay, the password is tour and we are logged into the Banana Pi M4-Berry. Now we want to erase the eMMC storage of Banana Pi M4-Berry. Okay, then we can use this command to list out the disk first. Okay, so I have copied this command. We will paste that command here. Okay, and then we will hit enter. Now here you can see mmcblk0 is having size of 7.3 GB, which is our eMMC storage, and mmcblk1 is having size of 58.2 GB, which is our SD card. So we don't want to erase this one. Okay, we want to erase the mmcblk0. Okay, then how we can erase it? So here is the command. Okay, so you have to type sudo dd if is equal to /dev/0 of is equal to /dev/ here you have to type your disk, okay, mmcblk0, because we want to erase the mmcblk0. So that's why you have to type here mmcblk0, and then we want to see the progress as well. So here is the command to see the progress. Okay, and the this is the chunk size. Okay, so 4 MB is the chunk size, so it will be faster. Okay, so it will erase the entire drive faster. So what I will do is I will copy this command, okay, and then we will paste that command here to erase the mmcblk0 disk, and then I'm going to hit enter. And here you can see, okay, how much space is clear or how much space is filled with the 0 values. Total size of the eMMC storage is 7.3 GB, or you can say 8 GB. So it will go up to 8 GB, and then after the process will stop. Okay, here you can see no space left on device. So entire drive is successfully cleaned. Okay, and here you can see the process is successfully stopped. So we have successfully cleared the entire eMMC storage. Okay, so we have used this command, okay, to clear the entire eMMC storage, and here we have specified the drive that we are going to clean mmcblk0. Okay, mmcblk0, which is related to our eMMC storage. You can also refer the documentation for the same, how to erase eMMC. So again, we are going to use this command to list out the disk first. Okay, mmcblk0, mmcblk1. Now here you can see mmcblk0 and mmcblk1 both is having size around 7.4 GB and 7.3 GB. Okay, so they have deleted or they have erased the entire storage of mmcblk1. But in our case, mmcblk1 is having size of 58.2 GB, which is our SD card. So instead of erasing the SD card with Ubuntu Flash operating system, we will erase the mmcblk0, which is our eMMC storage, because we know that our eMMC storage is having capacity of 8 GB and this is equal to 8 GB around. Okay, so that's why we have cleared it. Now you can reboot the Banana Pi. Okay, and you can connect again with your Banana Pi, and once you reboot your Banana Pi, it will use the operating system flash onto the SD card. Okay, so this is how you can erase the eMMC storage on the Banana Pi. Now if you have any question or any doubt inside the erasing the eMMC storage of Banana Pi, then also you can ping me. Also, if you have any doubt while installing operating system onto the eMMC storage of Banana Pi M4-Berry, then also you can ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Also you can send me a mail. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.